Hello and welcome to Urdu with Sir Sultan. Today we are going to learn about volume. So, what is volume? Volume is the amount of space that an object takes up. In simple words, it tells us how much space is inside an object. Now, how do we calculate volume? The formula is volume equals length multiplied by width multiplied by height. Remember, the unit of volume is always cubic. If we measure in centimeters, the answer will be in cubic centimeters. If we measure in meters, the answer will be in cubic meters. Let's see some examples. Example 1. A box has length 5 centimeters, width 4 centimeters, and height 3 centimeters. Volume equals 5 multiply 4 and multiply by 3. The answer will be 60 cubic centimeters. Example 2. A room has length 6 meters, width 4 meters, and height 3 meters. Volume equals 6 multiply 4 and multiply by 3. And the answer will be 72 cubic meters. So, volume is simply the space inside an object, and we find it using the formula. Length multiplied by width multiplied by height. If you want to learn more interesting concepts like this, follow and subscribe. Come to Urdu with Sir Sultan.